How about the 1956 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, Cascade Green and Beige, beige cove.
Oh, Cascade Green, is that what it is?
Cascade Green, and it's got the beige coves over beige interior, long-term ownership. It's a date-correct 265 cubic inch V8 and dual Carter 4-barrel carbs, the dual quads. Date-correct means it was an engine that was built around the time that this would have been built, and so it should work out fairly well in that respect.
Yep.
A Muncie M20, great colors, and it's got the hard top. So it's got two tops. It's got soft
Very
top
nice.
and hard top. That's very nice.